In this video, we will discuss arithmetic progression. Exercise 5.2, question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Class 10th Mathematics. Let us start with question number 1. Question number 1 is, fill in the blanks in the following table where A is the first term, D is the common difference, AN is the nth term of an AP. So before starting the questions, let us discuss the basics of this exercise. What is an AP? AP is a progression like A plus D, A plus 2D, and so on. This is an arithmetic progression where A is the first term, A is the first term of the series or the progression, D is the common difference. Common difference. Okay. And D is fixed. Fixed means it is constant. For example, if I write 3, 5, 7 and so on. So first term is A, this is A, and D would be this term minus this term. 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2. Or you can calculate from here also. D can be calculated like 7 minus 5, which is 2. So this 2 is fixed, and 2 is calculated by subtracting previous term from the successive term. This minus this, this minus this. So this is how D is calculated. And do not subtract this from this. No, this, do not subtract this from this. Always subtract the previous term from the next term. Previous term is subtracted from the next term. So this is important point. So if we write general terms like A plus D, A plus 2D, and so on, general term would be A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. So this is your first term A1. This is your second term A2. This is your third term, which is called A3. A3 means the value of this. The way we have taken this, the example we have taken is 3, 5, 7 and so on. So this will become your A. This will become A or A1, one and the same thing. This will become your A2, and this will become your A3. So 1 means first term, 2 means second term, 3 means third term. A3 means 7. The value of the third term is 7. And the value of second term is 5. A2 is 5. And value of the first term is 3. The values of the terms make a arithmetic progression. These are the number of the term. 1, 2, 3, etc. are number of the terms. So general formula we will write an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. One more important thing. A2 is a plus d. Term is 2 and d is single. A3 term, third term, but d is 2. That means this d is 1 less than the number of terms. So that is why nth term would be a plus n minus 1, 1 less than the number of terms into d. So this is an important formula. Based upon this information, let us do the questions. First part, a is equal to 7, d is equal to 3, n is equal to 8, and an we want to find out. So we'll use the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 7, so I'll put 7 over here, plus n is 8. 8 minus 1. D is how much? 3. 7 plus 7 into 3. 8 minus 1, 7. Which is equal to 7 plus 21, which is equal to 28. So an is equal to 28. Now let us go to the second part. Second part is a is equal to minus 18 and n is equal to 10 and an is equal to 0 and d we want to find out. So we'll use the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is equal to minus 18, n is equal to 10 minus 1, d we want to find out, and an is 0. This is 0, an is 0. That means 18 is equal to 9d. This will shift to this side, become plus. This becomes 9d. That means d is equal to 18 by 9, which is 2. D is equal to 2. Now let us move to third part. Third part is a we want to find out, d is equal to minus 3, n is equal to 18, and an is equal to minus 5. 1, 2, 3 and 4 things. This is a we want to find out, d is equal to minus 3, an is equal to 18 is 5. So let them put the things in the formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is minus 5. A we want to find out, and n is equal to 18 minus 1 and d is minus 3. This is plus over here. That means minus 5 is equal to a plus 17 into minus 3. That means minus 5 is equal to a minus 51. Okay. That means a is equal to minus 5 plus 51. I'm shifting this to this side. A is becomes 46. So this is the use of the formula. Fourth part, A is equal to minus 18.9. D is equal to 2.5. This is D is equal to 2.5 D. N we want to find out, and AN is equal to 3.6. AN is equal to 3.6. Okay, let us do. We'll use the formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 3.6. A is minus 18.9. Plus N we want to find out, N minus 1, and D is 3.6. So I'll shift this toward this side. 3.6 plus 18.9 is equal to N minus 1 into 3.6. This becomes 15, 22.5. D is equal to 2.5. So I'll put 2.5 over here. This is 2.5. Okay. So this becomes N minus 1 into 2.5. That means N minus 1 is equal to 22.5 divided by 2.5. Decimal after one place, decimal after one place. So this will cancel. It will become 22, 5 and 25. This is 9. So A is equal to 9 plus 1. This will shift toward this side. It is equal to 10. So A is equal to 10 is the answer. Let us do the fifth part also. Fifth part is A is equal to 3.5, D is equal to 0, N is equal to 105, and AN we want to find out. So formula is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN we want to find out. A is 3.5 and N is equal to 105 minus 1, D is 0. So when you are multiplying any number with 0, this whole becomes 0. This is plus over here. That means AN is equal to 3.5. That's all. Now shift to question number 2. Question 2. Question 2 is, choose the correct choice in the following and justify. 30th term of this is, we have got the options. We have to find the correct option. That means we'll solve it. Now AP is 10, 7, 4, and we want to 30th term. A 30th we want to find out. So what we are given in this question A is equal to 10, D is equal to 7 minus 10, succeeding minus previous, it is equal to minus 3. Then we want to n is equal to 30. A 30 means n is equal to 30. So I will use the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a 30 will be, a is 10 plus 30 minus 1 and d is minus 3. Okay, so it is equal to 10 plus, this is 29 into minus 3. This is equal to 10 minus, this minus will make this minus. This is 87, which is equal to minus 77. A 30 is the minus 77 and C is the correct option. C is correct option. Okay. Second part of this question. Second part is AP is minus 3 minus 1 by 2 and 2. A11 we want to find out. So let us find A is this given first term and D is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 3. It is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 3. LCM is 2 minus 1 plus 6, which is equal to 5 by 2. 2 is the LCM plus this minus 1. 6. Okay, 5 by 2. So A11 means A plus 11 minus 1 into D. A is minus 3 plus 10 into 5 by 2. D is 5 by 2. So this is 5. This is minus 3 plus 25, which is equal to 22. A11 is 22. Okay. Now question number 3. Question 3, first part. This is in the following AP, find the missing terms in the boxes. So we are given AP like this. First is 2 box and 26. It is a finite AP, fixed number of 3 terms, 1, 2, 3 terms. So A3 is equal to 26, third term, its value is, and this is A plus 3 terms, so 3 minus 1 into D, that is A plus 2D. Okay. A3 we are given 26, that means A plus 2D is equal to 26. A we are already given 2, so we'll put 2 plus 2D is equal to 26. That means 2D is equal to 24. This will subtract from this side. D is equal to 12. We have found D is equal to 12. This is second term. How second term is written? A2 is equal to A plus D. A we are given 2 and D we are given 12. So A2 is equal to 14 is the answer. Second part. Box 13, box at 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. A4 is equal to 3. That means A plus 3D is equal to 3. Okay. A4 means A plus 3D. Now this is the second term. That means A plus D, second term, it is equal to 13. Now from these two equations, we will find the value of A and D. We will subtract minus, minus, minus. This cancel. This is, we are left with 2D, which is equal to minus 10. D is equal to minus 10 by 2 is equal to 5. So we'll put the value anywhere over here, or this or this. Let us put over here. D is equal to minus 5. This is minus 5. So A minus 5 is equal to 13. A is equal to 13 plus 5 is equal to 18. So first box will be A, which is 18. A is equal to 18. Third box, it will be A3 is equal to A plus 2D. So A is how much? A we have calculated 18 plus 2 into minus 5, which is equal to 18 minus 10, which is 8. A3. So this is how we have done this question. Now I will do which part I will do. I will not do all the parts, and I will do fourth part. Fourth part. Minus 4 blank 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 4 blank, and then we are having 6. That means this is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and A6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A1 is equal to minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A6 is equal to A plus 5D is equal to 6. So A is minus 4 plus 5D is equal to 6. That means 5D is equal to 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. D is equal to 10 by 5, which is 2. So we know the A, and this will be, first box will be A2. A2 is how much? A plus D. A is minus 4, D is 2, which is equal to minus 2. Now we'll find out A3. A3 is equal to A plus 2D which is equal to minus 4 plus 2 into 2, which is equal to 0. 4 minus 4 becomes 0. A4 is equal to A plus 3D minus 4 plus 3 into 2, which is 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. A5 will be A plus 4D, which is minus 4 plus 4 into 2. D is 2, which is equal to minus 4 plus 8 is equal to 4. So this is how we have found all the values. So fifth question is the same as I have done. Now I will go to question number 4. Question 4. Question 4 is, which term of an AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? Which term? That means n we have to find out. An is 78. N we want to find out. A is given, D we can find out. So it is a simple question, provided you understand the basic. This is An. Which term is n we have to find out. So AP is 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on. An is equal to 78. N we want to find out. And from here A is equal to 3 and D is equal to 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So that means An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. 78 is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 and D is equal to 5. Okay, that means 78 minus 3 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. 75 is equal to n minus 1 divided by 5. So this is how much? So this is 15 is equal to n minus 1. N is equal to 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. So 16th term is 78. Question number 5. Question 5. Question 5 is, find the number of terms in each of the following. Find the number of terms. N we have to find out. This is An. This is your A. D we can calculate. So understanding of the basic term is very important. 7, 30, 19 and so on 205. So this is An. An is equal to 205. A is equal to 7. D is equal to 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. So we'll use the formula A plus n minus 1 into D. 205 is equal to 7 plus n minus 1. D is 6. So that means 205 minus 7 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. This is 198. divided by 6. This 6 will divide this side. It is equal to n minus 1. So this is 3, 3. That means n is equal to 33. This will add to this side. 34. N is equal to 34. So this is all in this video. Thank you so much.